everybody, it's Cassie from HelperTech Burnsville, and I was just going to talk to you about Apple iWatch repair today. So we can fix almost any part on the Apple iWatch. Any of the series, screen size doesn't matter. If you have any issues with like the screen being broken or maybe just not working like it should, if your battery starts not lasting very long, or sometimes I've had some people come in where the battery is actually enlarged and pushed the screen out even. We can fix all of that. So if you bring it in, most of those repairs do take about 2 to 3 hours, and sometimes we have to order the part to fix your Apple iWatch. But otherwise they are very repairable, and you don't need an appointment. You can just stop in anytime during our business hours here in Burnsville. We're open Monday through Friday 10 to 6 and Saturday 10 to 3. If you have any questions, you can give us a call. Phone number is 651-605-2575. And like I said, otherwise you can just stop on in. You guys have a nice day.